Ethereum against US dollar has been choppy a little bit, where we can see that the price was going up and then down, and we can see a very strong push down all the way to 1995.71. Something has happened on the market, but I think it was very close connected with this Bitcoin. But what we can see is this bearish pin bar that has suggested the price will drop down value, and then this one also several days ago. We can see that here also I have also shared my daily analysis inside trading community, where I have said that this bearish pin bar are suggesting that the price will drop in value, and this is what has happened. The second one, when the price has formed this bearish pin bar, the price dropped it down but did not close below, which means also strong bullish pressure here is waiting and also preventing the price from falling even more down. But this strong selling pressure has triggered some kind of a sell-off, and here everything has gone outside, and same day the price returned back up. So this means it is still very indecision on the market between the bulls and also the sellers. On the weekly market, we can see this is still open. The price is inside this range area between this resistance and also this support. So 2400 is very important level on the upper side, and 2127 on the lower side. Until the week makes a breakout outside of this range area, everything's still open, and we can see the price jumping between these two price levels. On the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, we can see the bullish breakout. The price returned back down, and what was expected that the price could return back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, and this has happened in this month for now as it looks with this candle. Because this is only first week in this month, everything's still open, so we cannot make a conclusion for the price. But what we can see here is very important level is 2400 for the price that needs to be broken to the upside in order to further move up. And the next level where the price could stop is 2597. We can round it to 2600 as the next step, and ultimately is this one 2760 on the monthly time frame. For that, it is much better to see the price on the weekly and also daily time frame, especially on the daily time frame, which is much more clearly visible what are very important levels in order for the price to move further, move up or down. On the lower side, very important level for the price, this one here, 2231, we can see it here, in order for the price to stay above and also prevent from reaching lower levels. The next one after that is 2042. But before that happens, we can go on the weekly and also daily time frame. So for the weekly time frame, very important level for the price is this one, 2360. When the price goes above, we have 2 more days this week, so everything can happen, and also we could see price breaking above or down. And on the lower side is this one here visible, 2230. So this is the first level on the upper side, which is 2360, and here it is 2230. So for the month, for the weekly time frame, when the price makes a breakout and closes the week above, we need to see next week making confirmation of this breakout to the upper side or the lower side. But for that, it is much more better to see on the daily time frame how this looks. When the price makes a breakout above this one, which is 2368, and also below that, which is here 2174, but first one is also 2220. When the price makes a breakout on the daily time frame above or below this one, we need to wait and see much more clear position. But also I'm making analysis each day to see how the market behaves, just like I have done on this bearish pin bars, where the price was suggesting that the price could drop down. I'm also sharing analysis again for the next week each day inside the trading community. I also share the analysis where I'm expecting to see a breakout to the upside, on the downside, and then based on that and also how the market looks, I predict where the price could go and also what are the next support level and resistance where the price could reach. So for that you can also join trading community. For the link you can find below in the description. And also if you like, feel free to check it. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.